Today's question, will the peanut pull the tractor? Tractor weighs just under 13,000 pounds. So we're gonna see if the little guy will pull that today. Don't run away, this might be good. Now you guys will notice there's nobody in the cab. The problem is, nobody in the cab, nobody operate the brakes. So if this does work, I hope we don't end up way down there in the ditch. Let's find out.
I'm filming.
Here we go, folks. Oh man, I better hang on. Is this gonna work? Whoa.
Goofy man.
Whoa, I got a steamboat. It's like a monster truck. Holy crap. All right, I gotta move over. I can't chain it up different because then it wants to just smoke the tire. Go again. There we go. Oh. More forward. Hey, it's doing it. Wheel out. Oh, bitch. And these people pull their car with their garden tractor. All right, we're gonna move over again. We're going this way. We're running the camera, lady. Okay, here we go. Little by little, it's working. Easy on the throttle. There's nobody in the cab, so nobody to step on the brake. Oh, come on. This ain't working. I gotta turn the wheel. No? Meerkat. Good. We're heading for the grass. That's no good, but I didn't want to hit that guy's stuff over there. So, we're gonna try this again. I turned the wheel a little bit, winker. Okay, let's see if we can press one and continue. Ready? Let's do this. Light on the gas. Whoa! Light on the gas. It's going. It is going, but there's nobody in there to step on the damn brake when we get to the end. Ah! Holy crap! Yeah, this is working. Oh! Front end feels really light. God. Yeah!
You might want to stop. No dying.
Okay, we're gonna light one up just to the grand finale, they call that. Let's cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Almost like a car did that. What happened? There's tidbits stuck on here too. I wonder what these are. Oh, they're sticky. Okay. We gotta go put the toys away. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Thank you for watching. We were just having a little fun. Friday afternoon. So stop back again. Let's get into something else goofy. Hey? Bye-bye, tubers. There. That's all, folks. But here's what we're supposed to be looking at. Is this Cushman here. And these are all neon leaf lithium batteries.
So I had to modify my charger to charge them, and as you can see, I got all terminals covered up, but I got 2 cells per whatever, you get it. And anyway, it covers them up so you don't drop a wrench or something on them and melt her down. But these last 4 times longer than the deep cycle I had in here. They weigh 100 pounds less, and they really make this thing happen. Oh, and then here's what controls the motor speed. That guy right there, you gotta wire him in. He's a little different than the older ones, and your solenoid to drop him on. And then, oh geez, here's my dash panel. Let's see, that one there shut off. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, and anyway, there's the amp meter. You can tell how much you're drawing off the motors. The voltmeter, so you know how much gas you got left in it. That's my speedometer and motor temp. And this right here is for mode. If you want to let a kid drive it, you change that, so it's real slow. And in the regen, it puts the juice back in the batteries when you snap the throttle off. And then this right here is a regen button. And also, when you're at a stop, it's a reverse. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, this was a junk unit we got from a junkyard. It was yellow. I should include a picture of it. It was all rotted out. I had to make a new frame under the floor there. So, a lot of time on there, but all I know is this bugger has some snot, as you can see by the ending of the video. Oh, and then I got a cold air tube right there, and I made up a strap around the motor armature, and then it draws air in from there to keep the motor cooler. So that's about it. And then it had kind of hard rubber tires on it or whatever, and then I did everything up here to put the rubber tires on it front and rear. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh God, can you hit the like button? That really helps my channel out for being viewed. And leave a comment. I love reading them. Thank you all for being my friends. Bye-bye.